Most streetwear brands are obsessed with graffiti logos because they scream culture. That is why in this video, I'll show you how to whip up some high-quality, cool graffiti logo designs with AI in seconds. For this tutorial, I'll be using Leonardo AI, trust me. It's the best AI logo designer I have tried so far. First, head over to the Leonardo AI website, click on the Launch App button and sign in. Don't have an account? You can just easily create one to gain access. Once you're signed in, this is what you'll see. Click the image generation option to open up the magic screen. On the right side, you should set things up by selecting the model options and choose Leonardo Phoenix. It's the only one that can do text for now. Next, go to the Prompt Enhance option and turn it off. Move to Preset Style and select None. Leave everything else as is. Now, the fun part. Writing the prompt which says, graffiti logo featuring the name Supreme in quotation marks in a stylized spray-painted graffiti font, comma, sleek style, comma, dark gradient purple background, comma. Now click the Generate button. And voila! Here are 4 generated images. Most designs might have a few mistakes since graffiti text can be tricky for AI. But I'm loving this one here, so I'll click the Download button to save it. And just like that, your design is ready for your cool brand. If you want to create a more complex graffiti-style logo for a digital brand, you should add glowing blue neon accents and sleek style, comma, cinematic, comma, tech-savvy, comma, to the prompt. Check out the results. It has more detail and more swagger. These logos work great for a streetwear clothing company or even a gaming YouTube channel. So, that's how you can easily create a graffiti-style logo with AI. Feel free to tweak the prompt as needed to get the perfect fit for your project. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials, please like and share this video. Got questions? Drop a comment below. Until next time, bye!